there, I'm Supreet and we're at the historical and luxurious Hotel Taj, where we're celebrating the best of 2012 in the Serum Institute Cyrus Poonawalla Group Hello Hall of Fame Awards in association with Nirav Modi and Casa Forma, the most prestigious and glamorous award show. ये है वो शो जिसकी गेस्ट लिस्ट होती है ऐसी स्टार स्टडेड कि जब स्टार्स उतरते हैं रेड कार्पेट पर तो इस ग्लिटरिंग रेड कार्पेट की चमक धमक और शान शौकत के सामने आसमान के सितारे भी फीके नजर आते हैं। Now, without much ado, आपको लेकर चलते हैं रेड कार्पेट की ओर। Different ways of saying hello that you have.
Hello.
Hello.
Hello. Hello. Hello.
Hello. Oh, wrong eye. Hello.
Hello.
Hello. Hello. Hello.
Hello.
What are you expecting from tonight?
I'm expecting a great night. I'm expecting a great night of achievers, and that should be interesting company.
Well, it's the first time I've attended this evening. It's obviously in conjunction with the Times Group, so most of them are my friends. But I guess I'll see what the evening is about.
I expect nothing but just a lot of beautiful people.
I think it's wonderful that Hello is doing these awards. I'm glad to be here today.
It's the first time that I'm being at an award function as an actor. So for me, it is a big deal. Since it's the first time, it's will be a unique experience for me.
I feel that Hello has established itself so well in India, and you know, it has really carved a name for itself. So I'm very happy to be here and to be a part of the celebration.
Who are you wearing tonight?
I'm wearing Dolce & Gabbana tonight.
It's my friend Kunal Rawal who's here with me, who has, with a gun in my head, told me that you have to. Dekho, sab jagah dekho.
And a twirl for us as well, thank you.
I'm wearing Gauri Nanika, the outfit, and Farah Khan jewelry, of course.
I'm wearing Hervé Leger tonight.
I'm wearing Dolce.
Roberto Cavalli.
I'm wearing Dior tonight.
My friend Tanya styled me, so she just sends me something and I say, does it look nice? She said, yeah. So I said, okay, I wear it.
I'm wearing Roberto Cavalli, and I'm carrying a Jimmy Choo.
The shoes are LV, belt Gucci, tag watch, and it's a made-to-measure suit.
So basically, I can take you with me and you're worth a lot tonight, is what you're saying.
Let's go for it.
अब इस dazzling इवेंट में आने वाला है वो मोमेंट जब हम सेलिब्रेट करेंगे उन पर्सनालिटीज को जिन्होंने अपनी अपनी फील्ड में अपने शानदार परफॉर्मेंस से dazzle किया है हम सबको। But before we begin with the awards, let's take a short break. But you don't touch that remote, क्योंकि हम zoom करके गए और zoom करके आए। Only on the Serum Institute Cyrus Poonawalla Group Hello Hall of Fame Awards in association with Nirav Modi and Casa Forma. You keep watching Zoom, India's #1 Bollywood channel. Back to the Serum Institute Cyrus Poonawalla Group Hello Hall of Fame Awards in association with Nirav Modi and Casa Forma. ये है India's biggest award show because this isn't limited to the excellence in one particular field, but it's about celebrating overall excellence. Well, now it's time to start with the heavyweights, जिनके लिए nominated है वो जिनको माना जाता है उनकी फील्ड का सिकंदर। चलते हैं सीधे अवार्ड्स की ओर और देखते हैं कि आखिर 2012 में किसने हमारे दिलों को जीतने के साथ-साथ जीते हैं ये सुपर प्रेस्टिजियस अवार्ड्स।
Welcome to the Hello Hall of Fame Awards 2012. Tonight's first category is... And to present the award, please welcome Dr. Cyrus Poonawalla.
And the award goes to no other than Katrina Kaif.
For me, it's been a very, very special year, being able to work with Yashji, being the last film, and always having been a dream of mine, so this award will always be for him. Thank you so much.
And here to present the award, please welcome on stage philanthropist, educator, and style icon in her own right, Her Royal Highness Princess Diya Kumari of Jaipur.
Selina Wadia.
Now, ladies and gentlemen, it's time to present Most Stylish Man Award.
Very stylish Arjun Rampal.
Hello, 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 and thank you very much, hello. But you know what, it's so ironical. Wherever you've reached in your life, it's all about relationships. And it's ironical to get this award because all those relationships started first with the word hello. You know, every time you met the person, so.
And now, ladies and gentlemen, let's mix things up a bit and present the Hello Hall of Fame Award for the most versatile performer of the year. And to present this award, a warm welcome to Media Mogul, visionary and head of the largest media house in the country. He's none other than the MD of Bennett Coleman and Company Limited, Mr. Vineet Jain.
Priyanka Chopra.
Thank you to Hello for giving me this award. It really means a lot to me, and I'd like to dedicate it to my dad. So, Daddy's little girl, I'll always be. Thank you so much.
And for our next award, ladies and gentlemen, the Hello Hall of Fame Awards recognize accomplishments from every field. And the big daddy of them all is the Businessman of the Year award.
And the award goes to Adi Godrej.
And to present this award, please welcome columnist, author, and the Rai social commentator, the very lovely Shobha De.
Rohit Bal.
Hello, everyone. There's so many beautiful people out here, my God, it's incredible. And I think now I know the secret of how you get so many beautiful people in the same room at the same time. Give them all awards. Well done, Hello. Thank you.
Our winner this evening is a very special lady. With a career spanning 5 decades, she has made an indelible mark on Indian cinema, ladies and gentlemen. Her latest release, English Vinglish, earned her the title of the Meryl Streep of India by the international media.
Sridevi, why don't you just come up on stage and get your award?
I would like to thank Hello for giving me this lovely award. I would like to thank Gauri and Balki, and of course my husband and my children for being so supportive. Thank you so much.
And to present the award, please welcome businesswoman, philanthropist, and founder of the Dhirubhai Ambani International School, the very graceful Neeta Ambani.
The Global Icon Award goes to Ustad Zakir Hussain.
Thank you, Neeta Ben, and thank you, Hello.
And now, ladies and gentlemen, it's time for the Reader's Choice Star of the Year Award.
The award goes to the heartthrob of the nation, Ranbir Kapoor.
Hello? Hello? Who's there? Hello? Hello? हाँ भाई आवाज़ आ रही है कौन बोल रहा है Hello? I don't know where to take this joke from here, so I'll just say thank you and very lovely, and I was most excited when I found out that you would be presenting this award to me, so thank you so much, ma'am.
And to present this award, please welcome the lovely Faiza Saif.
Jitesh Kalar.
And to present the award, please welcome on stage the mogul of the multiplex, the head of PVR and Cinemax, Ajay Bijli.
It's Aishman Khurana.
Tonight, I'm going to say hello to the film fraternity for accommodating a non-industry kid like me, and goodbye to the days of struggle.
To present the Hello Hall of Fame Fresh Face of the Year Award, I'd like to welcome the gorgeous Sonali Bendre.
And the award goes to Alia Bhatt.
Good evening, everyone. I owe everything to Karan for winning the Fresh Face of the Year. Thank you.
To present the award, please welcome on stage the senior legal counsel and statesman, Mahesh Jethmalani.
Vikas Oberoi.
It's very rare that a real estate company is honored with an award.
And to present the award, please welcome the CEO of Go Air, Jay Wadia.
Susan Roshan.
I'm just so happy to be here, and this is my first award, and getting it from Hello means a lot to me, so thank you.
And to present this award, please welcome the CEO of Worldwide Media on stage, Tarun Rai.
The Young Royal of the Year, Priyadarshini Rajesh Sindhar.
I usually leave the speeches and the awards to my husband, but thank you so much to Hello and everyone who's here tonight. Thank you.
And to present this award, please welcome legendary film producer and Sridevi's leading man, Mr. Boney Kapoor.
It's Rana Kapoor.
And to present the award, please welcome the editor of Hello magazine, Ruchika Mehta.
Sushil Kumar.
Well, अवार्ड जीतने के बाद जो इमोशंस होते हैं वो बयान नहीं किए जा सकते. आंखों में खुशी और होठों पर एक विनिंग स्माइल ही सब कुछ कह जाते हैं. And smile is the curve that makes everything straight. So to put that curve on your lips and to twist everything that's straight, आ रहे हैं आपको हंसाने the deadly duo with a killer sense of humor, Ashwin Mushran and Cyrus Sahukar.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Good evening. As you all have noticed, brother, stop touching and move a little right. Sorry, man. Yeah, it's ridiculous. So there is a really important award which we need to give away, which is the first time ever the Hello Indian City of the Year Award 2012.
Actually, there were 4 nominees: Mumbai, Delhi, Kolkata, and Bengaluru. But Calcutta was on a strike, and Bengaluru was actually leading, but then someone stood up to dance, and the whole city got arrested.
So fortunately, unfortunately, we are left with Delhi and Mumbai. Which is the better city, man? We really need to put an end to this argument because it's been going on forever and ever in bars, at funerals, offices, everywhere.
Everywhere.
See, let me tell you why it's really difficult. According to a new breakthrough, ladies and gentlemen, in scientific research, Delhi women are now made of 60% makeup, 10% jewelry, 17% water, and 13% sunscreen with an SPF of 500. Did you know that? You could shoot rockets at them and it'll just bounce off. Apparently, they also have been found carrying their Louis Vuitton bags while bargaining to save 7 rupees for dhania.
And Mumbai is where everyone and their cat is an aspiring superstar. It's a city where people buy an iPhone and a Chinese charger, where people take an auto rickshaw because they can't find parking anywhere.
Ashwin, Delhi is a city where the sound of a horn is just a friendly warning that you're about to die on the wrong side of the road, of course.
But Cyrus, Mumbai doesn't have a wrong side of the road because it's taken up by hawkers. Its signature dish is the vada pav, whose recipe hasn't changed for 200 years and frankly will not change for another 200. And it's home to the Udupi restaurants that serve Chinese dosas.
And forget all that. You can't even get your own city's name right. 70% of the people I met from Delhi don't say Delhi, they say, hello, I'm from Delhi.
Sirs, you guys can't even decide what to call your city yet. Is it Bombay, Mumbai, or Shanghai? Just as Saif would say, well, guys, just get with the program. Yeah.
Man, I was avoiding this so far. But do you know why these awards have been held in Mumbai and not in Delhi?
Why? Because they couldn't get a venue? Because there were 36,000 weddings being held that day?
No, because if these awards were actually to be held in Delhi, then they would be called the Hallow Awards. Okay? There would be people up here who would be saying, and the Hallow Achiever of the Year, and the best dressed Hallow Male, and the magazine would have to be called Goodbye.
The Serum Institute Saras Poonawalla Group Hello Hall of Fame Awards in association with Nirav Modi and Casa Forma mein abhi aage hai bahut kuch. But for now, it's time for a quick break. You don't go anywhere. Stay tuned to Zoom with me, Supreet. Welcome back. Ye hai the Serum Institute Saras Poonawalla Group Hello Hall of Fame Awards in association with Nirav Modi and Casa Forma.
Before we proceed, I'd like to take a moment to acknowledge our eminent jury members. Manish Malhotra, Anupama Chopra, Raj Salgaonkar, Princess Diya Kumari, and our very own Ruchika Mehta. Thank you for taking the Hello Hall of Fame Awards to the next level. To present the award, please welcome prominent legal eagle Zia Modi.
Maharaja Gaj Singh of Jodhpur.
And to present the award, please welcome the gem of the industry, Nirav Modi.
Anushka Sharma.
I'll just say a big thank you to Hello. It's really nice to be able to do what you love doing, and to be awarded for just that is nice. Thank you.
And to present the award, please welcome author, columnist, and marketing guru, Suhail Seth. Today, this resilient man has become a role model for others battling the dreaded disease. Please announce the winner.
I don't need to look at the envelope.
Yeah,
it is Yuvraj Singh. My mother fought with great resilience and is now fine with breast cancer. I know what a fight it is. You have an amazing son. Thank you.
Every day he's down and out, you know, but he comes out fighting, and I'm really proud to be his mother.
And to present this award, please welcome the chairman of Videocon, Venugopal Dhub.
Hrithik Roshan.
And to receive the award on his behalf, we've got Suzanne. And to present the award, please welcome Sarod legend, Padma Vibhushan, Ustad Amjad Ali Khan. Our timeless icon this year is a dancer, an actor. From Kathak to Dhak Dhak, she twirled her way into our hearts.
It has to be Madhuri Dixit.
I've always said that talent is timeless, as it has been proved by so many people in this room time and again. So thank you for being an inspiration, and thank you for honoring me again. Thank you.
It's now time to announce the last award, ladies and gentlemen, of the evening, and it's the Hello Hall of Fame Lifetime Achievement Award.
The award goes to Mr. Rahul Bajaj.
Get an award from Hello was surprising. Thank you very much. Thank you.
I'm very excited. I'm so excited that I'm going to say hello to everyone.
I'm really floating, dreaming at the moment. It's really great.
I'm very excited. I'm very happy. After Student of the Year, I'm Fresh Face of the Year.
This is the Rising Star Award. Rising. Has to be rising because I was the donor in the first film. Thank you.
जो ओलंपिक में मैंने मेडल जीत के खुशी थी वही ये अवार्ड लेके खुशी.
I'm very grateful to Hello and all the judges who've been on the panel for selecting me, and it's an honor. It definitely is.
I hope the Serum Institute Saras Poonawalla Group Hello Hall of Fame Awards in association with Nirav Modi and Casa Forma की ये evening मेरी तरह आपके लिए भी बन चुकी होगी totally unforgettable. Well, now it's time for me to say goodbye. Sayonara. Until we meet again, you take care and keep watching Zoom, India's #1 Bollywood channel.